Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can fix Roshade not working in Roblox. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, open the search menu from the bottom of the screen and then search for Roblox. After that, a bunch of search results will be displayed on your screen. Simply right-click on the Roblox player app and then select Open File Location. Again, right-click on the app icon and then select Open File Location again. Now, you will be sent to the installation directory of Roblox. Simply right-click on the Roblox Player Beta app and access its properties. Inside it, get to Compatibility, activate the compatibility mode for Windows 7, and then activate these two features. After that, click Apply and save the changes. Once done, come down to the launcher and do the exact same thing. Access Properties, get to Compatibility, enable the compatibility mode for Windows 7, and then check mark these two features. Now, relaunch the Roblox app and Roshade will start working. So that's basically how you can fix Roshade not working in Roblox. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.